Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Razer Stream Controller X for the first time. And to do this, first let's connect this Stream Controller with our PC. And if you look underneath this device, there's USB-C right here that you need to connect with your PC. So take a cable, it should be included with that device, and connect USB-C end right here and normal USB to your PC. And that is basically our device connected. Then moving on, we need to download a software called Loopdeck, and you can find this website. It looks like this. Then go for the downloads and find a software for Windows. If you're using it on Windows, you can also go for Mac if you like. Click on download, and here wait a few moments till it's finished. Install the software. Also keep in mind that when you're installing it, OBS and most of the programs that you're using normally might need to be closed. So I have it already installed, so when it's ready, just open it, and here you'll be able to customize your Razer Stream controller. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.